ICY Control Center makes remote accommodation management possible wherever you are. Assure your guests a pleasant stay. After all, this is what you want most of all for your guests. But what would happen if their pleasant stay were to be disrupted by technical problems, or it would simply cost you too much money? Imagine that housekeeping had forgotten to turn on the heating, a particularly inhospitable reception. What if the heating isn't working? These illustrate just a few examples of your guests' frustrations and the time and energy that can be wasted within your business. There is an alternative. This park is fitted with the ICY Control Center, a wireless system that simplifies rental accommodation management and can be controlled from anywhere in the world. If accommodation has been booked, then rooms will be at the right temperature on arrival. The ICY Control Center is directly connected to the reservation system. This ensures a warm welcome. It also takes your profitability into consideration. The thermostat is fitted with a movement sensor. If your guests leave their accommodation for a longer period, then the thermostat automatically turns down the temperature a few degrees. This can generate savings of between 20 and 50%. As well as automatic thermostat adjustment, it is also possible to control certain circuits remotely. Of course, sometimes there are faults and help is then required from technical services. Help can be called using the ICY Control Center. Faults are forwarded directly to the Technical Services Department. This is the transceiver. It is used to measure the temperature and mains voltage supply in each accommodation unit, and can prevent pipes from freezing and refrigerators from shutting down by issuing a warning. It is also possible to connect a central heating pressure sensor to the transceiver. This means that technical services don't have to go door to door to check water pressure. The ICY Control Center also incorporates certain important security and safety functions. Smoke and motion detectors can be installed wirelessly. This allows you to get to the scene quickly if an alarm goes off in an accommodation unit, regardless of whether it's occupied. Would you like to know each accommodation unit's power consumption? This is possible without using any complicated system. Meter readings can be displayed and processed using the ICY Control Center. Does this sound familiar? Lost keys or guests who've forgotten to hand in their keys? Using the ICY Control Center, it's possible to use universal cards that can be linked to an internet reservation number. This puts an end to such frustrations for good. Using this application, it's even possible to check the progress of the housekeeping schedule. Please feel free to get in touch with us with any questions you may have. ICY also has a support department that can help keep an eye on things on your behalf if required. Our support department can also make regular backups of your data. If you would like more information or would like a quotation, then please contact one of our staff members. One thing's for sure, ICY Control Center will save you a lot of money and energy. ICY Control Center makes remote accommodation management possible wherever you are.